What's growing on, gardeners? On today's 2-minute garden tip, I'm here to tell you that you are crazy. Crazy because you have probably never tried one of these. And on today's video, I hope to change that forever. If you have ever stepped foot in a grocery store produce department, you have almost certainly seen giant displays full of avocados. And what is crazy is, despite the fact there are thousands of different varieties of avocados, you will only ever find one variety of avocado in most grocery stores, the Hass avocado. That's Hass, not Haas. It is named after Richard Hass, who grew the tree from seed in California nearly a century ago. Every single Hass avocado that has ever been grown is a clone of his tree from his yard. But if you are very fortunate, tucked away in the tropical fruit section, sometimes there is a small box of these, often called Florida avocados. Now in reality, there are 3 distinct races of avocado: Mexican, Guatemalan, and West Indian. And yes, race is the correct taxonomical term. Most of the avocados that we see in the grocery stores are primarily of Guatemalan lineage. A Hass avocado is primarily Guatemalan with a little bit of Mexican genetics. These varieties are predominantly West Indian. They are much more tropical and they have very different flavors. Guatemalan lineage avocados like your Hass have a very high oil content, and that makes them very good for making guacamole. But the problem with your grocery store Hass is, because you're getting them picked so early and shipped hard across the country, they never really develop their full flavor. So what you get, if you're fortunate enough to get one that actually ripens properly, is something oily and butter-like, but without much flavor and a texture kind of like baby food. They aren't very flavorful unless you get a really, really good one. West Indian avocados have much lower oil content, so for that reason, many people say these are watery, but that is not a fair comparison. They are not watery, they are just different. While the lower oil content tends to make these not quite as good for guacamole, they are much firmer, sweeter, and I think they have more complex flavors, nuttier, roasty flavors, and because they hold their shape better thanks to the lower oil content, they are much better for eating as slices, in salads, and in sandwiches. You also get a lot more for your money with these avocados. Whereas a Hass avocado usually only averages about 6 ounces, this one comes in at a whopping 1 pound 5.1 ounces. And this isn't even the biggest one that you can find. There are bigger ones. Now, I don't know what variety of avocado this is. It could be one of a dozen different commercial varieties, and these don't hang on the tree as long, so they rotate through them more quickly. I think it's Choquette and Monroe season right now in Florida, but this is from the Dominican Republic. It could be a different season. But nonetheless, I'm going to cut this open. Look how much meat there is in that avocado. Now, it looks like that I did let it go about a day too long, so it's a little bit oxidized. But the thing that is great about these avocados is how easily they peel away from the flesh. That's really cool because whereas you can't really do this with a grocery store Hass avocado, you can with these West Indian varieties. This is a very different flavor. It almost has a nutty flavor, like a cashew or something. So I went back to the grocery store today to get another avocado because I kind of messed up ripening the other one, and this one was perfectly ripe sitting on the shelf. So I'm going to cut into this. Now that one right there is pretty much perfectly ripe. So let's cut into this. And what I love about a lot of these West Indian avocados is the thick shell. They just peel right off. And look, you get this beautiful piece of avocado that's sort of like a slice of cantaloupe. Now let's try it. This is so good. It's so creamy. Oh, this is so delicious. This tastes like a cashew nut. It is, but it's sweet and it's creamy, almost like cashew butter. It tastes nothing at all like a Hass avocado does. It's sweet, it has that roasty, nutty flavor, but it's also light. It doesn't have that heavy oil content, so you could actually eat an entire half of an avocado this size in a salad or on its own in a plate, and it would be absolutely delicious. Oh, that's fantastic. It's so good I want another one. See, with a Hass avocado, that one slice would have been enough. But this one, you can just keep sitting and eating and eating. These are just incredible. If you've never bought these avocados before, you are crazy. So if you have never tried an avocado like this before, please give it a try. They are amazing. Don't go in thinking they're like a Hass avocado. They are very different. They are like their own thing. Go in with an open mind, put them in salads, put them on sandwiches, cut them into wedges, and eat them kind of like a cantaloupe. If you look at them as their own unique fruit, you will not be disappointed. And that's today's 2-minute garden tip. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell to receive new video notifications, and check out our Amazon storefront and spread shop in the video description for a list of the gardening products I use and awesome custom designed apparel and other gear. Your support is greatly appreciated.